I'm getting ready to drill my first set of holes here for my 5-inch shelf. And it's kind of a precarious position. I'd like to use this accessory that gives you something to hold on to, but I can't do that. So I'm going to just have to hold this the best I can. Keep it square and flat. I've got a backer board under here to keep it from blowing out on me. And I'm just going to drill these 2 holes. See how it goes here. Yeah, that looks like it'll be good. I'll get a couple of dowels here. And it is good. It's nice and flush out here on this edge. And now I just have to measure over. I believe for this one I wanted a 9-inch shelf. It's gonna hold this plane here, my router plane. So we'll go something like that. Let me just measure that quick and see where I'm at. Yeah, 9 inches. So I know that I've worked out the math on this thing, finally got that figured out. So when I take this off, put it in my my jig here. I guess I can't put it in there yet. I need to measure, make a line. I need to measure 8 3/4 to the outside here, because the offset on this is 1/4 inch. Can't see that. Let me widen this out a little bit here. So when I set this story stick now, I know that my offset here is 1/4 inch. So if I want a 9-inch shelf from the inside of this face, I have to measure over 8 3/4, make a mark, and then line up my story stick to that. So let me do some measuring and marking here, and then we'll come back, make those 2 holes, and see how we did. Okay, now you can see that accessory I was talking about. This flat plate gives me something a little more substantial to keep it flat to the work, and then I can drill the same 2 holes here. This is clamped down, it's on my line, and we're 1/4 inch offset from what I want, which is 9 inches up. I mean a 1/4 inch offset this way, 8 3/4. You can feel when I bust through the top sheet of plywood. Now let me get this camera over here. You can see my line right here, and I'm a 1/4 inch over. Let me put my ruler on this. That's 9 inches.